In this video, we will solve the questions asked in today's JKSSB Police Constable Examination. The question is, in a family, the average age of father and mother is 35 years old. Let us write it here. So, average age means, let's denote F means the age of the father plus M denotes the age of the mother divided by 2. This denotes the average and it is equal to 35. You know average is equal to sum of observations upon total number of observations. Here we have 2. Then we are being told the average age of the father, mother and their only son is 27 years old. That is the age of father plus the age of mother plus the age of their only son. Since we write it in average form, we divide it by 3 and it is equal to 27 years. Okay, we need to find out the age of the son. Now we know F plus M upon 2 is equal to 35. Can we write it like this? F plus M, that is the age of father plus the age of mother, will be equal to, transpose it here, it gets multiplied. So we have 2 into 35, which is 70. Now in place of F plus M in this equation, we write 70. So we have 70 plus S, the age of son, upon 3 is equal to 27. Or we can write it like this, 70 plus S is equal to 27. Transpose it here, it gets multiplied. So 27 into 3 is 81. Or S will be equal to, transpose 70 here, it gets subtracted. So we have 81 minus 70, which comes out to be 11. So the age of the son will be equal to 11 years. I hope I am making myself clear. Next question is, the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 84 and 21 respectively. If the ratio of the two numbers is 1:4, we need to find out the larger of the two numbers. Options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, also we are being told that numbers are in the ratio of 1:4. Let us say one number is x. Okay, smaller number is x. That means larger number should be equal to 4x, because they are in the ratio of 1:4. Okay, that means if this is smaller number, this is larger number, HCF into LCM should be equal to product of the two numbers. Implies, if I write it here, so HCF we know it is 84. Can I write it here? 84 times LCM is 21. It should be equal to product of two numbers, that is x into 4x, which becomes x into 4x, which becomes 4x square. 4x square. That means 81 into 21 is equal to 84 into 21 is equal to 4x square. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x square is equal to, so 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. We get 21 into 21 is 21 square. Okay, taking root on the both sides, that means x will be equal to 21. But we know that x is the smaller number. Since we have to find out the larger of the two numbers, that means larger number will be equal to 4x, which is equal to 4 times the value of x, which is 21, which we got here. 21 into 4 is, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. That means 84 must be the correct option. Next question is, an electronic device makes beep after every 60 seconds. Another device makes beep after every 62 seconds. They beep together at 10 a.m. The next time when they would beep together is, at the earliest is, we need to find out. Okay, so let us say we have device A and device B. Okay, so the time they will beep simultaneously together will be the LCM of the time taken by A device and B device, which will be equal to, so let's take the LCM of the time they took. So we have 60 and 62. So let's find out the LCM first. So we have 2 30s are, 2 31s are, then we have 2 15s are, 31 will remain same. Then again, so we have 3 5s are, 31 remains same. Then we have 5 ones are, and then we have 31. Next time we have 31 ones are, then 31 ones are. So we will get LCM. LCM will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 31. Okay, so this is 2 to are 4, 3 are 12, 5 are 60 into 31, 60 into 31. So let us multiply them. So we have 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So we have 1860 seconds after they will beep again, but we need to convert them into minutes. So we divided by 60. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. Then we have 6 threes are 18, 6 ones are 6. So they will beep simultaneously after 31 minutes. Since they beeped simultaneously at 10 a.m., then they will beep simultaneously at 10:31 a.m. So correct option should be 10:31 a.m. That is B option. Next question is 1/3 of the boys and 1/2 of the girls of a college participated in social work project. If the number of participating students is 300, out of which 100 are boys, what is the total number of students in the college? Okay, so here let us denote the number of boys as B and the number of girls by G. Okay, we are being told 1/3 of the boys participated. Okay, so we have 1/3 of the boys participated, and we also being told that 1/2 of the girls participated in the social work. Okay, now we are also being told that the number of participating students is 300. So total number of participating students is 300, out of which 100 are boys. Okay, 100 are boys. So number of girls will be equal to 200, obviously. So 1/3 of boys, 1/3 of boys will be equal to 100, obviously, since 1/3 of the boys participated. Similarly, 1/2 of the girls participated, it should be equal to 200. That means total number of, if we solve this, that means B will be equal to, transposing it gets multiplied, so 3 into 100 is 300. Then 1/2 of G is equal to 200, implies G is equal to 2 2s are 400. That means total will be equal to boys plus girls, which is equal to 300 plus 400, which comes out to be 700. So total number of students in this college will be equal to 700. That is the C option should be correct. Okay, if each child is given 10 sweets, there are 3 sweets left over. But if each child is given 11 sweets, then the number of sweets is 4 less. We have to find out the number of sweets. Okay, so let's denote the total number of what we call the sweets by S. So in the first case, we are being told that if each child is given 10 sweets, let's denote it by 10. Total number of sweets in the first case will be equal to 10. That is the number of sweets C child got. That means 10 times C plus 3 are left. Okay, so we have 10C plus 3 here. Simple thing, total number of sweets in the first case will be equal to number of sweets which one child got times the number of children plus the number of sweets left. In the second scenario, what we are being told, that if each is given 11, let us say 11 sweets are given to each of the children. So we have 11 times C. In this case, what happens? We have 4 less sweets, so we have minus 4 here. Okay, this is equation 1 and equation 2. If we solve this, LH is the same, we can equate RHS. That means 10C plus 3 is equal to 11C minus 4. Solving for C, transpose this here. So we get 11C minus 10C is equal to 1C will be equal to, so transpose it here, it gets added, because the sign changes when we transpose from LHS to LHS to RHS or vice versa. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So total number of children is equal to 7. Then number of sweets will be equal to, plug C is equal to 7 either in this equation or that equation. So let's plug it in the first equation. That means total number of sweets will be equal to 10 times number of children, which is 7 plus 3. So this becomes 10 sevens are 70 plus 3 is 73 will be correct option. Next question is, a library has an average of 510 visitors on Sundays and 240 on other days. The average number of visitors per day in a month of 30 days beginning with Sunday is, we need to find out. Okay, so we are being told that average of 510 visitors are on Sundays. Okay, so how many Sundays will be there if we have Sunday on the first day and we have 30 days month? Let us see here. So if we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then we have Friday and Saturday. So this is one column. Then we will have Sunday here, then another Sunday, then another Sunday. So up to this Saturday we will have 28 days. You can check. Then we will have another Sunday here, then we have Monday. So here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sundays. Okay, 5 Sundays, and since there are 30 days, so number of other days will be 25. Let me rub this now. So total Sundays is equal to 5 and other days, let's denote it by O, which is equal to 25. Now let us see the total number of visitors on Sundays. That will be equal to, total number of visitors on Sunday will be equal to the number of Sundays times the average of the people visited. That is equal to 510. So it is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 2550 are the visitors on total Sundays. Now on other days, so total T subscript S, let us denote it by other days total. So which will be equal to, so 240 visit on average and we have 25 days. So we have 240 into 25. Let us solve it. So first we have 0 here, then we have, or let us solve it, it will come out to be, I have calculated it, it comes out to be 6,000. Okay, 240 into 25. Then total visitors, let us denote it by T subscript V, in a month is equal to the addition of these two. Okay, so it comes out to be 8550. Since we need to find out the average, that is visitors per day, so visitors per day will be equal to, or average visitors per day will be equal to total number of visitors in the month, which came out to be 8550 divided by total number of the days, which is 30. Solving this, you will get 285 as the correct option. So the correct option should be D option. Here you can see 3 2s are 6, 7 8, then we have 3 8s are 24, then we have 25, 3 5s are 15. So 285 will be the correct option. Next question is, 4 years ago the average age of family of 4 persons was 18 years. During this period a baby was born. Today, if the average age of the family is still 18 years, we need to find out the age of the baby. Okay, let us first find out the sum of the age of the 4 members 4 years ago. So it will be equal to the average age, which is 18, times the number of family members, which is 4, which comes out to be 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 is 7. So 72 years. Next, what will we do? We will calculate the present age of the 4 members. Okay, presently. That will be equal to the old age 4 years ago, the sum of the families, which is 72, times the change in the age, that will be equal to 4 times 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16 plus 72, it comes out to be 88. So sum of the age ages of the family members presently will be equal to 88. Now, since a baby was born and the average age is still 18, that means we need to find out the sum of the age of the five members this time. Since average age is 18, we multiply it by 5, so it will be equal to 90. Now, what is the age of the baby? That will be equal to the sum of the 5 members age minus the sum of the 4 members age, which will be equal to 90 minus 88, which comes out to be 2 years. So the correct option, I guess, should be B option. Next question is 5 mangoes and 4 oranges cost as much as 3 mangoes and 7 oranges. What is the ratio of the cost of 1 mango to the cost of 1 orange? Okay, let us denote the price of mango by PM and price of orange is PO. We are being told that 5 mangoes, let us denote it by 5 times the price of mango plus 4 times the price of orange is equal to 3 mangoes, that is 3 times price of mangoes plus 7 times the price of orange, that is P subscript to O. Let us solve it. Transpose this here and transpose this term there. So we get 5 PM minus 3 PM is equal to 7 PQ, the price of orange, minus 4 PO. So 5 minus 3 comes out to be twice the price of mango, will be equal to thrice the price of orange. Transpose this 3 here, or let's denote transpose this P subscript Q to LHS. So we will get PM upon PO will be equal to, transposing it gets divided, so which is equal to 3 upon 2. The ratio of the prices of mango and orange will be 3 upon 2 here. So the correct option should be 3:2 or 3:2. Next question is, if 20 men can build a wall 56 meters long in 6 days, what length of similar wall can be built by 35 men in 3 days? So the formula we use here, that is M1 times T1 divided by W1 should be equal to M2 into T2 divided by W2, where M1 and M2 denote the number of persons required or number of men required to complete the task. T1 and T2 denote the number of days required. W1 denotes the width of wall in the first case and W2 denotes the width of wall in the second case. So we are being told that M1 is, that is we need 20 men times they take 6 days and they complete 56 meters of wall. So W1 is 56 and it should be equal to M2. In the next scenario, we require 35 men, but they work for 3 days and we need to find out how much of the wall they can build, that is W2, which we are supposed to find. When you solve this, I don't have the space here, so W2 should come out to be 105 into 56 divided by 120. Solving further, W2 will be equal to it should come out to be 49, I guess. So you check it by yourself. Next question is, which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? We have 11, 36, then we have dash, we have 121, then we have 185, and then we have another number. Now let us try to find out. Here we have, if we subtract 36 and 11, we will get here 25, which is 5 square. Okay, here you can also see when we subtract from 185 and 121, so we will get here 5 minus 1 is 4. Here we have 8 minus 2, which is 6. Here it came out to be 8 square. Okay. So the difference between these two is 5 square. The difference between these two should be equal to the given number, the number that we are supposed to find out, and 36, it should be 6 square. Okay, and the difference between 1 to 1 and the missing number, it should be 7 square. So here we have 11 plus 25 is 36. Now 36 plus 6 square is 36. So 36 plus 36 is 72 should be here. Okay. So the difference between consecutive numbers is here. The square of first 5, then 6, 7, and so on. Next question is, select the option that represents the correct order of the given words according to the dictionary. We have appear, approach, approximate, apprehension, apparel. So APP is in all the words. Now APPA, first will come APPA, that is the apparel one. Then we have APPE, so APP. Then we have again apprehension, APPA, or here we have APPE. So A will come first, that is of appear. Then we will have APPA, or that is of apprehension. Okay, so I guess the correct option should be fifth. First fifth will come, then second, then fourth. So fifth, first, and fourth, that is D option should be correct. Next question is, select the option that is related to the third word in the same way as the second word is. That is, if vacant means empty, then enormous means, I guess it should be huge. Now next question is, in the following situation, select the odd letters from the given alternatives. So we have G, J, J, L. Then we have E, H, H, K. Then we have A, D, D, G. So we have V, Y, Y, B. Now we need to concentrate on G and L. The difference between them is 5 letters. G, H, I, J. So we will have H, I, J, K. Rather it is of 4 letters. H, I, J, K. Here E, F, G, H, I, J. So here is 5 letters gap. Let us find here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F. So here also we have 5. Then we have Y, V, W, X, Y, Z, and A. Here also we have 5 letters gap. So in the first we have only G, H, I, J, K. Here we have only 4 letters gap. I guess odd one should be this video. Next question is, India became a republic on, options are being given. India became a republic on, we know it is 26th Jan 1950. So the correct option should be B option here. Next question is, which country won first football World Cup? Options are America, Africa, Uruguay, and Japan. Its correct option is Uruguay was the first nation who won the football World Cup. Next question is, and let me write it here, who was the first Home Minister of India? So it is D option, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question is, I don't know the answer of this. The Indian to beat computers in mathematical wizardry. I guess I don't know the correct option, so let me skip it. Next question is, the first newspaper published in India was, options are the Hindu, Second is Amrita Bazar Patrika. Third is the Bengal Gazette. Last is the Times of India. I guess it should be what we call the Bengal Gazette, which was published in back in 70s. Next question is, who has written the book My Frozen Turbulence in Kashmir? I guess we know the answer. It is Jagmohan, who was the governor of J&K back in 90s. Then next question is, which city is known as Electronic City of India? Options are Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi or Bengaluru. Correct option should be Bangalore. Next question is, Bodo language is spoken mainly in which state of India? We have Assam, Jharkhand, Himachal or Karnataka. Bodo is mostly spoken in north eastern states, so the correct option should be Assam. Next question is, what is the capital of Indian Union Territory Lakshadweep? Options are Karavati, Delhi, Port Blair, Pondicherry. So correct option should be Karavati. Delhi itself is a union territory and Pondicherry is also the union territory. So the correct option I guess should be A option, Karavati. Next question is, what is the name of the UN body that settles legal disputes between member states? Options are General Assembly, Security Council, International Court of Justice or Human Rights Council. Correct option is ICJ, what we call International Court of Justice. Next question is, which of the following is not the member of SARC? By SARC what we mean? South Asian Association for Regional Conference. It has members like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India. Also Maldives is the member, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. So here we don't have Myanmar as the member of the SARC. Next question is, which vitamin B complex consists of vitamin B complex consists of how many vitamins? I guess it is 8. Next question is, who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? So it is easy, it is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question is, who is often considered the father of Indian cinema? So father of Indian cinema, options are Satyajit Roy, Raj Kapoor, Dada Saab Phalke or Bimal Roy. I guess it should be Dada Saab Phalke. Then next question is, what is the title of the autobiography Major Dhyan Chand? So it is Goal is the title of the autobiography of Major Dhyan Chand. Next question is, petrology is the study of, options are land, mineral, rock or soil. So correct option is rock in this case. Is the right to move freely throughout the territory of India comes under which article of the Indian Constitution? Options are 11, 13, 19 or 22. The correct option is C option, that is article 19 deals with this. Next question is, the first woman governor of a state in free India was, options are Indira Gandhi, second is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, third is Sarojini Naidu. I guess Sarojini Naidu is the correct option. The next question is, what is junta? Options are descendants of monarchs who are ineligible to rule, collection of experts who advise the government, or it is the military group that takes control of the government. So it should be C option. Next question is, Gimpochi mountains lie between China, Bhutan and the Indian state of, I don't know the answer here. Next question is, the fertile land between two rivers is called, it's called Doab. Next question is, Which territory has banned popular apps like WhatsApp, WeChat, Google Drive from government computers due to cybersecurity concerns? Options are Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or Macau. So it is actually Hong Kong. The next question is, where is Central Agriculture University situated? It is situated in Imphal. So Imphal is, I guess, the capital of Manipur. The next question is, in 2020, which state initiated the Ashirwad scheme to extend financial support for a daughter's marriage who belongs to lower income? So it is Punjab. Next question is, government strategy regarding exporters and importers is called. Options are commercial policy, monetary policy, fiscal policy, or finance policy. So monetary policy is not correct. It is used by the RBI. Fiscal policy is regarding the tax and expenditure. So I guess the commercial policy should be correct option. Next question is, what is the URL for a website? URL means uniform resource locator. It is a location of the website on the internet. That means option A should be correct in this case. Next question is, which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Options are bit, KB, nibble, or byte. So the correct option is bit. Bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. Next question is, an example of an internet search engine is Linux, Yahoo, Windows, or MS Excel. So the correct option should be Yahoo. Yahoo is the internet search engine, like we have Google or we have Bing. Okay, so the correct option should be Yahoo. Next question is, World Wide Web is standard maintained by. Options are World Wide Corporation, World Wide Web Center, World Wide Consortium, or W3C. So it may seem that C is the option correct, but actually it is W3C. W3C means World Wide Web Consortium. Okay, so the correct option should be D option here. Next question is, in MS Excel, one can use the formula palette to. Options are format, edit containing numbers, select and edit formula containing functions, enter data for a formula, or select a range of cells for a formula. The correct option, according to me, should be select and edit formula containing functions. I'm not sure, but I guess this must be correct. Next question is, which of the following natural element is the primary element in computer chips? Options are silicon, carbon, iron, or none of these. So basically silicon is the primary element in the computer chips. The A option should be correct. Next question is, the compiler converts program into. Options are C language, assembly language, binary language, or basic language. So actually the translator converts the source code from high level programming language to low level programming language, what we call the assembly language here. Okay, so the correct option should be B option. Next question is, which of the following is designated to control the operations of a computer? Options are register, application software, utility software, or system software. The correct option should be system software here. Next question is, a small text file created by website that is stored in the user's computer is called. Options are cookie, cache, malware, or registry. The correct option should be cookie, because cookie is a small text file, usually less than 4 KB or up to 4 KB, created by the website that is stored in the user's computer. Next question is, MS Windows is. Options are database program, word processing, operating system, or graphic program. So MS denotes for Microsoft Office. Okay, here actually MS is actually the operating system. Okay, MS Window is actually the operating system. So C option must be correct. Next question is, what does FTP stand for? So FTP means file transfer protocol. So the correct option should be folder text. It is not. File transfer push. It is not the correct option. So fixed terminology. It is not. That means D option must be correct. Next question is, which of these are web browsers? Options are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Brave, or all of these above. We know that Google Chrome is the web browser. Internet Explorer is also web browser. So since both are the web browser, I am not sure about the Brave. That means we have to take the all of the above option. Next question is, the S in HTTPS stands for. So HTTPS means hypertext transfer protocol secure. So the correct option should be B option.